CVKR. In this session, we'll learn about the Standard 5, Chapter 10. The topic is construction of rectangle. Yes, as we learned how to construct a square in the previous video, but in this video, we'll learn about how to construct a rectangle of the corresponding lengths. Okay, so what is the question as given? Yes, construct a rectangle with a length 6 centimeters and breadth 4 centimeters. So the rectangle is a quadrilateral, no doubt. Why? Because the quadrilateral is a closed figure which is formed by 4 line segments. Am I right? Yes. So here we are going to be construct a rectangle which is one of the quadrilateral, right? I told you that to construct a square or rectangle, first of all, we get a scale or ruler, and you just given the length which is given, the length is 6 centimeters. So first of all, draw a rough figure. The rectangle has opposite sides are equal, as we know that. This is 6 centimeters and this opposite sides, this is 4 centimeters. This is our rough sketch. You can draw by using this line length 6 centimeters and 4 centimeters of the rectangle, right? So 6 centimeters. Draw a ruler and draw a line segment AB with the given length 6 centimeters. So point first 0. This is 1 point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 centimeters. This is about our required line segment. So line segment AB 6 centimeters already. You drawn that. Yeah. The step 1, draw a line segment AB equal to the length of the given rectangle. Length of the rectangle. Right. What about the second step? So as we learned in the construction of square, draw two rays with A and B or through A and B making 90 degrees. Draw two rays. How? So I already told you that, while construction of square we use the same thing. The midpoint of the protractor is at A and just the baseline exactly it is on the AB. Now where is 90 degrees? This is 90 degrees, and with B and through B also, so we going to be construct or put 90 degrees here. Now remove the protractor and draw a line. So draw a ray. That's what he said. Yes. Here also then we'll do the same. Right. Next, third step. Take the protractor, compass, and cut off AD and BC equal to the breadth of the rectangle from the lines drawn in the step 2. Take 4 centimeters. Breadth how much? 4 centimeters, So take 4 centimeter on the scale. Okay. Now this is the 4 centimeter. With A, draw the previous line at draw an arc to cut the previous line, and with the same distance with the center B we draw another arc. Now where they intersect this ray and line, that is AD and this is BC. Now join these 2 points with the scale. That is our required. Yes. This is 6 centimeters, 4 centimeters and 4 centimeters. So here there are 90 degrees. Here also there are 90 degrees. So this is our required rectangle. See, one thing I am telling you, to construct a square or to construct a rectangle or to construct a parallelogram or to construct a trapezium, we need all these tools. and we should have some aware of angles. Okay, so this is the way of constructing rectangle. Thank you.